constipation is a serious health problem. We suffer from bloating, heaviness, fatigue and discomfort. All these surely messes up our daily activities. This is your body telling you that your gut is begging for help, and ignoring it won't fix the problem.
It's time to cleanse your system. Flush out all the waste and toxins, as it gently support your digestion. Start feeling lighter naturally.
And experience a powerful way to clean our gut. By adding an all-natural beverage into your daily meal. Cleanse is formulated to address all our digestive problems. Its key components are fiber, enzymes, and probiotics.
Fiber contributes to overall health by regulating blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, and potentially aiding in weight management and constipation. Enzymes act as catalysts, speeding up biochemical reactions in a vast array of cellular processes, including metabolism, digestion, and energy production. Probiotics helps increase beneficial bacteria in the microbiome that supports various bodily functions. Promotes gut health, immunity, mental health, and skin health. Free yourself from constipation. Start your gut journey today.
With QGlobal's Cleanse product, you don't just go, you glow.